Work in a factory and have a lot of tools, but sometimes you lose them, or you don't remember where you put them. But when you need them, you can't find them anywhere, especially tools to disassemble or assemble the material transport frame. For this reason, Aardwolf created the aluminum toolbox that allows you to store convenient your tools. When you have to work, you only need to open the box, and they are right there. The toolbox is quickly and accurately assembled by some simple steps. When you have ready assembled the box to the frame, you pull the handle to open the box and put the tools into the box quickly. The toolbox is specifically made for Aardwolf Transport Frame TF2440. Other A-frame models may not fix. You never lose anything inside the Aardwolf toolbox.